हम आपके नेतृत्व और प्रेरणादायी शब्दों के लिए कृतज्ञ हैं सर। भारत रत्न डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर जी ने कहा था कि स्वास्थ्य सेवा केवल बीमारी का इलाज नहीं, यह एक समतामूलक समाज की नींव है। हेल्थ केयर इज़ नॉट मियरली द क्योर ऑफ द डिजीज़, it is the foundation of an equitable society. And as you mentioned sir, Ayushman Bharat is implemented in ISBS as well, and we have gone a step forward for facilitating these patients and archiving their documents made easy through the app that is developed in our own institute and one of its kind in the whole country for a government institute. Now may I invite Chancellor Dr. S.K. Sareen sir for proceedings of the convocation ceremony.
For that motivating and guiding talks, I will now seek your permission to declare the convocation ceremony open. Yes. And request you and honorable dignitaries to kindly come in front for giving away the degrees. Also, with your kind permission, declare the convocation open, and I request Dean and Vice Chancellor to please present the degree awardees.
In the capacity of Dean, hereby present the following graduates for the award of postdoctoral degrees for the year 2024. For the course DM Hepatology, Dr. Vishnu Girish, Dr. Akhil, Dr. Tushar Madhav Matke, Dr. Rahul Khajuria, Dr. Chandan Kumar.
I hereby admit Dr. Vishnu Girish, Dr. Akhil, Dr. Tushar Madhav Matke, Dr. Rahul Khajuria, Dr. Chandan Kumar.
For the course DM Organ Transplant Anesthesia and Critical Care, Dr. Abhinay SV.
I admit Dr. Abhinay SV.
Now I present these graduates for the award of postdoctoral degree for the year 2025 for the course DM Hepatology, Dr. Phulchand, Dr. Ayush Jain, Dr. Sudhir Kumar Verma, Dr. Jeffrin Daniel, Dr. Saurav Paul, Dr. Ravi Nishad, Dr. Ibrar Ahmed Khan.
I admit Dr. Phulchand, Dr. Ayush Jain, Dr. Sudhir Kumar Verma, Dr. Jeffrin Daniel, Dr. Saurav Paul, Dr. Ravi Nishad, Dr. Ibrar Ahmed Khan.
For the course MCH HPB Surgery, Dr. Binoy Abraham, Dr. Sangam Papneja, Dr. Sambhav Gupta.
I admit Dr. Vinay Abraham, Dr. Sangam Papneja, Sambhav Gupta.
Course DM Organ Transplant Anesthesia and Critical Care, Dr. Suraj Deepak Desai, Dr. Nidhi Singh.
I admit Dr. Suraj Deepak Desai, Dr. Nidhi Singh.
For the course DM Pediatric Hepatology, Dr. Tamogna Biswas, Dr. Snigdha Verma, Dr. Deepika.
I admit Dr. Tamogna Viswas, Dr. Snigdha Verma, Dr. Deepika.
For Doctor of Philosophy, PhD in Molecular and Cellular Medicine, Dr. Sunita Giri, Dr. P. Debishri Subudhi, Dr. Anushka Saxena.
I admit Dr. Sunita Giri, Dr. P. Debashri Subudhi, Anushka Saxena.
Now I present the following graduates for the award of postdoctoral degrees for the year 2026. For the course DM Hepatology, Dr. Jayashri Biswas, Dr. Jitendra Kumar Singh, Dr. Ishank Johari, Dr. Shreyas Sarvesh, Dr. Srajit Singh.
I admit Dr. Jayashri Vishwas, Dr. Jitendra Kumar Singh, Dr. Ishank Johari, Dr. Shreyas Sarvesh, Srajit Singh.
For the course MCH HPB Surgery, Dr. Narendra Mandalapu, Dr. Parneet, Dr. Veluru Gautam, Dr. Raja Gopalan Ji, Dr. Tapan Kumar Pradhan.
I admit Dr. Naren Mandapallupu, Dr. Praneeth, Dr. Veluru Gautam, Dr. Rajgopalan Ji, Dr. Tapan Kumar Pradhan.
For the course DM Pediatric Hepatology, Dr. Samanvay Das, Dr. Anmol.
I admit Dr. Sanamay Das, Dr. Anmol,
Organ Transplant Anesthesia and Critical Care, Dr. Rachna C. Nair, Dr. Aniruddha Banerjee, Dr. Sahithi Lada Ronanki.
I admit Dr. Rachna C. Nair, Dr. Aniruddha Banerjee, Dr. Sahithi Lata Ronaki.
For PhD Molecular and Cellular Medicine, Dr. Ashi Mittal, Dr. Vipin Yadav, Dr. Nishu, and Dr. Manisha Yadav.
I admit Dr. Ashi Mittal, Dr. Vipin Yadav, Dr. Nishu, Dr. Manisha Yadav.
For PhD in Epidemiology of Viral Hepatitis and Liver Diseases, Dr. Ayushi Rastogi.
I admit Dr. Ayushi Rastogi.
Now I present the following names for the award of postdoctoral certificate courses, that is PDCC, and postgraduate certificate courses, PGCC, in various departments for the year 2024. PDCC Organ Transplant Anesthesia, Dr. Mosmi Saha, Dr. Shweta Aghi, Dr. Vaishali S., Dr. Medhavi Saxena, Dr. Arundhati Chadda, Dr. Aviral Srivastav.
I admit Dr. Mosmi Saha, Dr. Shweta Aghi, Dr. Vaishali S., Medhavi Saxena, Dr. Arundhati Chadda, Dr. Aviral Srivastav.
For PDCC in Interventional Radiology, Dr. Rishabh Jain. For PDCC in Hepatopathology, Dr. Shruti Thakur.
DCC.
PDCC in Transplant Virology, Dr. Malika Grover, Dr. Bishal Gupta, Dr. Saurabh Kadel.
I admit Dr. Malika Grover, Dr. Vishal Gupta, Saurabh Kadel.
For PDCC in Gastroradiology, Dr. Angel Sara Sanjeev.
I admit Dr. Angel Sara Sanjeev.
For PDCC in Advanced Diagnostic and Clinical Microbiology, Dr. Arundhati Paul.
Admit Dr. Arundhati Paul.
PDCC in Dialysis Therapy, Preeti Yadav. And Dr. Sharkua Menaz. PDCC, PGCC and CC in the year 2025. PDCC Organ Transplant Anesthesia, Dr. Lakshay Manchanda, Dr. Ishan Verma. PDCC Interventional Radiology, Dr. Ishan Verma.
I admit Dr. Ishan Verma.
Interventional Radiology, Dr. Kaustav Jain, Dr. Mohit Gambhir.
I admit Kaustav Jain, Gambhir.
For PDCC Hepatopathology, Dr. Neeti Nagar.
I admit Dr. Niti Nagar.
For PDCC Gastroradiology, Dr. Gitika Bansal.
I admit Dr. Gitika Bansal.
For PDCC Advanced Diagnostic and Clinical Microbiology, Dr. Ankita Saran.
I admit Dr. Ankita Saran.
For PGCC Dialysis Therapy, Dr. Vineet Kumar Singh. He's coming.
Dr.
Vineet.
Vineet Kumar Singh.
PCC, PGCC, CC for the year 2026 for the course PDCC Organ Transplant Anesthesia, Dr. Jasmine Bulbul, Dr. Savita Agarwal, Dr. Shreem Rawal, Dr. Pragya Maheshwari, Dr. Suraj Verma, Dr. Abhishek Arya.
I admit Dr. Jasmine Bulbul, Dr. Savita Agarwal, Dr. Shreem Rawal, Dr. Pragya Maheshwari, Suraj Verma, Dr. Abhishek Arya.
For PDCC Interventional Radiology, Dr. Andrela Khatua, Dr. Lokesh, Dr. Manik Agarwal, Dr. Chandan, Dr. Divij Agarwal, and Dr. Bhaskar Das.
I admit Dr. Andirila Kota, Kesh, Dr. Manik Agarwal, Dr. Chandan UK, Dr. Divij Agarwal, Dr. Bhaskar Das.
For PDCC in Transplant Virology, Dr. Sweksha Ranjan, Dr. Arzu, Dr. Mayuri Barua.
I admit Dr. Sweksha Ranjan, Dr. Arju, Dr. Mayuri Barua.
For PDCC in Diagnostic Virology, Dr. Smriti Maniraj.
I admit Dr. Smriti Maniraj.
For PDCC in Hepatopathology, Dr. Aparna Rajshekhar, Dr. Himansha Pandey, Dr. Zahid Ali Kamar.
I admit Dr. Aparna Rajshekhar, Dr. Zahid Ali, Dr. Himansha Pandey, Dr. Mehraj N from Transplant Immunology, please. Yeah, confusion there.
PDCC in Advanced Diagnostic and Clinical Microbiology, Dr. Priyal Anand.
Doctor, I admit Getty Reddy. I think
Srinivas Rao Geddy Reddy. Here we will see. Okay. So now I present the following names for the award of MS. Dr. Aparna Rajshekhar. We can move on to the
next awards, next degrees.
name. Present the following names for the award of MSc Nursing degree for the year 2024.
Yes, sir.
Your names, please face them. I present the following names for the award of MSc Nursing degrees. For the year 2024, Ankita Jamoli, Ashna, B. Supriya, Himani, Mahima, Mamita, Priyanka, Rosie, Sandhya.
I admit Dr. Ankita Jamuli,
One thing more I would like to say.
Tigga, B. Supriya Chaitri, Himani Kala, Mahima, Mamita Gurung, Priyanka Patel, Roji Moni Borha, Sandhya.
For the year 2025, Anupam Sisodia, Dil Raj, Himani, Khushbu, Raj Nandini, Sangeeta Yadav, Zeenat Naz, N. Manisha, Mona Lisa Mohapatra.
I admit Anupam Sishodia, Dilraj, Himani Sangvam, खुशबू,
जो लग गया ना उनकी भी देने को बोला सर मैं आपको लिस्ट दे देती हूँ कौन कौन.
राजनंदिनी, संगीता, जीनत, एन मनीषा, Mo- Mona Lisa.
For the year 2026, Nityanand Kumar. Now I present the awards of degrees in absentia for the year 2024. PhD students Dr. Saddam Hussain Bhatt, Dr. Akhilesh Kumar Seni, Dr. Impreet Kaur Khanuja, Dr. Ravinder Singh, Dr. Dipanshu Maheshwari, Dr. Swati Thangariyal. For DM Hepatology, Dr. Omkar S. Rudra. For MCH HPB Surgery, Dr. Jerigi Harshavardhan Reddy, Dr. Anil Kumar Gupta. For DM Organ Transplant Anesthesia and Critical Care course, Dr. Abhinav Sharma. PhD, Dr. Nupur Sharma, Dr. Pinky Juneja. For the year 2026, we have PhD, Dr. Babu Matthew. PDCC, PGCC and certificate courses for the year 2024. It's PDCC Interventional Radiology, Dr. Abhinandan Kumar, Dr. Dinesh Mehar, Dr. Vasav Tyagi, Dr. Vaibhav Thakur. PDCC Hepatopathology, Dr. Sujata Kumari, Dr. Abhilasha Yadav, Dr. Ashley Koshi, Dr. Sarjana Agarwal. For the year 2025, PDCC, PGCC and CC, Dr. Kiran Premaraj, and for Interventional Radiology, it's Souvik Biswas. For PDCC, PGCC, CC for the year 2026, for Advanced Diagnostic and Clinical Microbiology, Dr. Priyal Anand.
हाँ ये बोल.
For Hepatopathology, Dr. Megha Bansal, Dr. Srinivas Rao Geddy Reddy, and for PDCC Apheresis, Technology and Blood Component Therapy, Dr. Anbara Sant.
I admit the award of degree in absentia. Thank you.
Thank the dignitaries. Now we begin with the award presentations. Overall Performance Award for the year 2024, DM Hepatology, Dr. Akhil. A big round of applause for the awardees, please. Dr. Akhil. DNB Super Speciality Nephrology, Dr. Udit Gupta. Overall Performance Award for the year 2025, DM Hepatology, Dr. Sudhir Kumar Verma. DM Pediatric Hepatology, Tamongna Biswas. DM Organ Transplant Anesthesia, Dr. Abhinya SV. Kindly come forward. MCH HPB Surgery, Dr. Sambhav Gupta. DNB Super Speciality Nephrology, Dr. Anand Naveen Thakur. Kindly come forward. Overall Performance Award for the year 2026, DM Hepatology, Dr. Sarajit Singh. DM Pediatric Hepatology, Dr. Samannay Das. DM Organ Transplant Anesthesia, Dr. Rachna C. Nair. MCH HPB Surgery, Dr. Raj Gopalan Ji. Best Extracurricular Performance Award, DM Organ Transplant Anesthesia, Dr. Hina Sangvi. Performance Award, PhD 2024, Mr. Dipanshu Maheshwari. Overall Performance Awards, PhD year 2025, Ms. Nupur Sharma. Overall Performance Award, PhD 2026, Ms. Manisha Yadav. Overall Performance Awards, MSc year 2024, Ms. Roji Moni Bora. And Overall Performance Awards, MSc year 2025, Ms. Khushbu Kerketa. Thank you all.